Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites. Both iPhones must be unlocked on iOS 14, 5 or later, and have Bluetooth and location services enabled. Once done, hold the Airtag next to the iPhone you want to connect and wait for the automatic pop-up. If the pop-up appears, tap Connect. This initiates the pairing handshake. You do this because Airtag pairing uses proximity and your Apple ID to link the token securely. Make sure the target iPhone remains awake during this first exchange. Next, you'll assign the Airtag to an item and to an Apple ID. When the setup screen asks for name, pick a preset or type a custom label so you can identify it later. Then confirm the Apple ID that will own the Airtag. This links it to Find My. Make sure to enable the Find My network for location reporting and turn on Lost Mode if desired. This configuration ensures secure ownership and helps locate the Airtag across devices. Finish by tapping Done and opening the Find My app to confirm the Airtag appears under Items. This verifies a successful link. Once visible, test precision finding or play a sound to ensure responsiveness, because immediate verification prevents future confusion. If you don't see the pop-up, restart the target iPhone, toggle Bluetooth, or perform an Airtag reset by removing and reseating the battery 5 times. This forces repairing. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.